Hey guys, so today I'll be doing an unboxing, a quick unboxing of a new head unit I'll be installing in the Nissan Xtrail. So I'll be replacing the unit in there right now with another Seicane unit. So this is model H204L-L. It's a universal 7-inch unit. So anyways, this is the box here. Open it up. Here, then we got manual, warranty card, and yeah, the user manual, which is not included now, so we show you how to do things. And we got a main bag with all the harness inside one nut. So I'll set that one to the side. It's got mounting brackets just like my other one, which is universal brackets. You can kind of modify them if you need to. But I'll be using the factory brackets of the original radio. And then there's the unit itself here. Get it out. So this is the unit here. So this is the front of the unit. So you can see here it's got the home button, back button or previous, navigation. There's the power and volume, as well as the USB and micro SD input here. Top is the infrared and the microphone. Top of the unit here will have the wiring schematics, and then on the back side of the unit, these are all your ports. So you got this will be your Wi-Fi, the AM/FM antenna input. You got 3 ports for the RCA's, backup camera, the outputs and that kind of stuff. Then your main power harness will go here, your fuse there. This one is your GPS, and then your 2 USB inputs there. So that's the unit itself. Alright, so now I'll just show you what it all comes with. So first one there, as you can see that Matthew is holding, is your antenna adapter. Next one will be your GPS puck. This one here is your RCA input and output harnesses. That one is your Wi-Fi antenna. That one here is your microphone and USB. This one will be your main wiring harness. Now with this one, you'll see this one's like for a Volkswagen type, but this is universal, so I'll just be cutting this one off and using that for my own. And the last one is the 2 USBs. So that's what it all comes with. So let me get a close-up of everything and go from there. Okay, so that's our unboxing here. So there's our 7-inch unit, 2 USBs, the wiring harness, the USB harness with the microphone, the RCA inputs and outputs, the AM/FM antenna adapter if you need it, the Wi-Fi antenna, GPS puck, mounting brackets, manual, and warranty card. So I'll be posting the link for this unit down below, as well as the link for the one I'll be removing. Install, I'll be doing this tomorrow, and then I'll be posting the video here as soon as I'm done. Thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, let me know.